Welcome to SwiftCoin. In this video, we will show you how to bind your API key from BingX, one of the most popular and secure crypto exchanges in the world. To bind your API key, you need to have a BingX account and a Google Authenticator app. If you don't have them yet, please sign up for BingX and download Google Authenticator from the App Store. First, go to the BingX homepage and log into your account. Then, click on your profile icon and select Security. Next, turn on the Google Authentication button. You will see a page with instructions on how to download Google Authenticator app. Click Next to proceed. Next, on BingX page, complete the puzzle challenge to proceed with the setup. You will see a confirmation page where you need to enter an email verification code that will be sent to your registered email address and a verification code from your Google Authenticator app. Enter both codes and click Link. Congratulations, you have completed the first step of binding your API key. Now, go back to the BingX homepage. Click More and select API Management. Then, click on the Create API button to generate a new API key for SwiftCoin. You will see a popped-up box where you can label your API key. Give it a name that is easy to remember, such as SwiftCoin API. Click Next to continue. Complete the puzzle challenge to proceed with the setup. You will see another confirmation page where you need to enter an email verification code that will be sent to your registered email address and a verification code from your Google Authenticator app. Click OK. You will be directed to the API Management page where you can see your newly created API key and secret key. Keep this page open as you will need them later. Now, go to the SwiftCoin homepage. You will see a button that says API. Click on it to open the API settings. You will be page where you can add and edit your API keys from different exchanges. Click on the Create button to add a new API key for BingX. You will be directed to the API list page where you can see all your API keys. To bind your BingX API key, copy the API key from the BingX page and paste it onto the SwiftCoin page. Do the same for the secret key. Then, click on the Edit button next to your SwiftCoin API key. You will see a page where you can edit your permissions and IP addresses for your API key. Tick the box that says Spot Trading to enable spot trading. Then, tick the box that says Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. You will see a list of 4 IP addresses that belong to SwiftCoin. To add them to your BingX API key, copy all IP addresses from SwiftCoin page and paste it onto BingX under IP whitelist. Once you have added all 4 IP addresses, click on the Add button on BingX page. Next, click on the Save button. You will see another confirmation page where you need complete a puzzle challenge. Enter an email verification code and Google Authenticator code. Click OK. You have completed the second step of binding your API key. Now, go back to SwiftCoin and click on the Submit button. You will see a page where you need to read and agree to the terms and conditions of using SwiftCoin. Please read them carefully before clicking on the Submit button. You will see a message that says Successfully Binded API. Congratulations, you have completed the final step of binding your API key. You are now ready to use SwiftCoin's AI-powered bots to trade cryptocurrencies on BingX. Happy trading!